Welcome to Utex Industries. We are a privately held custom solutions manufacturer with our corporate office in Houston, Texas. This brief timeline shows how we've developed into the company we are today. From starting off in 1940 as Universal Packing and Gasket to officially changing our name in 1969 to Utex Industries, Inc. We've grown through acquisitions that have helped expand our footprint in the manufacturing industry by adding to the capabilities we offer for our custom solutions and well-service products. We have manufacturing plants in and around Texas, service centers throughout many of the shale plays of the United States, as well as globally with our Utex facilities in Singapore and Malaysia. Today, we service many industries, from mining, water distribution, transportation, marine, and industrial with our custom solutions and well-service products. But you may ask, what does that even mean? Well, let me help explain. Now that you've learned a little of our history and the industries we serve, let's focus on some of our capabilities. Our well service products, you see a version here on the conveyor belt, have been the backbone to what got Utex started in the manufacturing industry. We received our first patent in 1945 for V-ring packing. We work with a variety of materials, such as thermoplastics, like PEEK and PTFE, which you'll find at our AccuSeal facility, urethane, which you'll find in our Conroe facility, or even our very own 600 custom formulated rubber compounds that we mix out in Weimar. We use these materials, plus some others that we incorporate together to help our customers develop a solution for their applications. That could be pump packing for frac pumps, 48-inch water valves for a big gate valve, thermoplastic seal stacks for downhole tools, or rubber fenders for marine docks. Our teams really help bring these concepts to life for our customers. Every employee within Utex has a special role that helps get the job done. We hope you're excited to be part of Team Utex, where you can feel appreciated and challenged for the work that you put in, because every job at Utex is valuable. From shipping and receiving, quality and inspection, manufacturing, and everything we do behind a computer screen, we want you to feel empowered with Team Utex to help pave our way for the next years to come.